Hey everybody and welcome back to Video in the channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the Epic Games Launcher in Windows 11. Let's get started. Alright, what you want to do is go to the first link in the description, which will take you to this page here. And then you want to click Download Epic Games Launcher. And again, you can see down here, it's installing the installer for Epic Games. And once it is done installing, you can open it up. And then you can choose whichever file you want it to go into. I'm not going to change it, so that's fine. Click Install next. And you can go down here to see it installing or verifying the updates. And there we go. We have successfully installed the Epic Games Launcher. You can go down here. We can see it opening up right now. Alright, I hope the video helped you guys. If it did, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, share with your friends. Until next time, goodbye.